Hello and welcome to the video for MG11. This one's pretty simple and we only have a couple examples to get through, so let's get started. Find the area of the figure below. Just like we've seen a little bit earlier, you're going to want to label your height and base. So we got our base down there, and then our height, remember that's like that tent pole thing, and it doesn't have to be in the middle. It might be a little more straight than what I've got there. But there's our height. And now we're going to count the squares to measure it. Or to figure out how long the base and height is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got a base of 7, and the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So height is 6. And so the formula for solving the area of a triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2. So we got 7 times 6 is 42 divided by 2, and that finally gives us a 21. And again, we don't have to worry about meters squared, inches squared, anything like that, because they didn't give us any units of measurement to add the exponent to. Let's go ahead and try the next example. Find the area of the figure below. Okay, so the area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's go ahead and figure out first of all what our r is, the radius. So our radius is going to be, halfway across the length of the circle, or diameter of the circle. And so we'll go ahead and put a big R there. And the R is going to be 1, 2, 3 squares. So now we've got 3.14, that's pi, times 3 squared, pi r squared. So that means 3 times 3 is 9. So 3.14 times 9, multiply that out. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1, carry the 3, is 12, carry the 1. 9 times 3 is 27, plus the 1 is 28. And we got 1, 2 numbers after a decimal. So starting at the right, 1, 2. And 28.26 is the area. So these really shouldn't throw you off just because they don't give you any numbers, because if you got a grid, you can count the numbers up yourself, and they're usually pretty small. So you know your math will be a lot easier than when they don't give you numbers, because then the numbers are usually quite bigger and you have more work to do with the multiplication. So go ahead and get started on the practice. You can ask me or your neighbors for help, and you can also reuse the video. Thank you.